Hi, this is Azad Ahmed and you're watching a video of the LLQP, that is the Life Insurance Qualification Program. One topic in it we're going to discuss today is the coordination of benefits. That is when a person has a policy for a drug plan or for dental coverage and how the coordination of plan works. In this case we have a husband and wife, Jack and Jill, and they both are working. They both have company plans which provide them the coverage for their children and their self, also for drug plan and dental plan. So how this is covered, for example, there is a dental claim for $900 which they had to spend for their sons for the use for their dental work. So how they will submit it. So Jack's plan has a deductible of $50, which means for every claim we need to minus $50 before they will pay anything, and $1,000 is the maximum for the year. He has a 75% co-insurance, which means that the company will pay 75% of the claim. And his birthday is January 1965, whereas Jill's plan has a deductible of $100 and her maximum is also $1,000, and she has 60% co-insurance and her birthday is December 1969. Now how we will treat this $900 claim, is it going to go first to Jack's plan or first to Jill's plan? In this basic, the concept is that the guidelines are that we have to look at the birth dates of the spouses, and Jack's birth date is January 1965. So since his is earlier than Jill, so Jack is the plan for whom it will be submitted first. So this $900 will go to Jack's plan. And once this $900 is put in there, first thing we do is we take off the deductible. So we're going to minus the $50, which is deductible for Jack's plan. So we are left with $850. So always remember first deductible and then the co-insurance. So that is the basic concept there. First of all, first step is to minus the deductible. And so then we apply the co-insurance factor. The co-insurance factor is 75%. So with 75%, we calculate what is 75% of 850, and it comes out to be $637.57. $637.50. That is 75% of 850. So as a second pair, Jill's plan would pay the lesser of 2. So we've done this first step. Now this means that $637 will be paid by Jack's company. They will pay that $637. Now as a second pair, Jill's plan will pay lesser of 2. We have to calculate two things. First thing we have to calculate is if Jill's plan was the first pair, then in that case what would have happened? We would have had $900 minus the $100 deductible, right? We would have had $800, and then we will apply 60% of that. So 60% of that means $480 is what Jill's plan would have paid if they were first pair. Okay, and secondly, then we will also have to calculate a second thing and compare the two. So the second thing is the difference between the total eligible claim and what Jack's plan. So what we do is we say that we had a claim of $900 and we minus $637.50 from it. So what are we left with? We are now left with $262.50. We're left with $262.50, right? So we have to see what is the lesser of the two. So this is 480, this is 262. Obviously 262 is lesser than that, so this is what they will pay. So lesser of the two, so they will not pay 480. Of course, if they pay 480 plus 637, that will be more than their claim. So obviously the second pair, Jill's company will not pay more than what their claim is. So in that case, it's going to be this one. So this is what Dill's plan will pay. So hopefully this will make it a little bit more clear about how coordination of benefit works for dental plan. Again, this is Azad Ahmed, and my information is given at the bottom of the video. Have an excellent day and talk to you soon.